The production module is the most important in e-SCM. It was designed around OTIF, on time in full, which is the key indicator of supply chain performance. Everything in the module is built so that the planner can track productions in real time. All the milestones to ensure that products arrive at the warehouse in the right quantity, quality, and on time.
Understanding commercial stakes is crucial.
Yes, it's the most important.
What we are going to explore is that there will be a real-time relationship, real-time exchanges between the planner and the supplier. And then, concretely, we will even help them better coordinate daily tasks that need to be performed for monitoring.
Exactly, that's it. And today we have configured, or we are able to configure in e-SCM, all the tasks that break down the entire production monitoring, and all these tasks are framed within two key milestones. OK Prod, which triggers the start of production, and OK Ship, which triggers the shipment of finished products. OK Prod will be triggered when we are certain that the components or raw materials meet the expected quality, that pre-production samples comply with requirements, and similarly for OKSHIP. It will only be triggered when we are sure that production is fully completed. Each lead time between milestones is managed, as well as the compliance of checks at every stage.
How can e-SCM intervene on the subject of the packing list?
For each purchase order, the supplier will have the packaging rules, from which, depending on the quantities actually produced, they will generate the parcel labels and from there create the packing plan, and thus the packing list. The person in charge at Eden Park told me that it used to take her several days to update the end of production schedule for all her suppliers. Today, this is a native function in e-SCM. With a single click, the planner generates an Excel file with all the availability dates from the suppliers for the products, which are of course tracked through all tasks. So we manage all lead times to determine the factory release date, which will govern the entire shipment. This is native and done with one click.
Yes, so the forecast schedule is certainly essential for the planner to anticipate and to prepare the organization and orders that will then be redistributed to resellers, to different distribution channels. But even more important is being sure to receive stock that is compliant and useful. So the quality tracking that we enable is very detailed in e-SCM. So Patrick, if we want to highlight 3 key advantages of the production module in e-SCM today, I think first of all, respecting schedules, obviously.
Quality compliance.
And then improving the relationship, the partnership with the supplier throughout the year.
That's why it was the central and very important module in e-SCM.